guys? Ow, my foot.
Welcome to another video. This is our channel. Hi, this is me.
Can you guess what we're gonna be doing?
We're gonna be doing.
We had a radio. We had lunches, but we ate it.
We have lots of stuff.
He still has something. We got stuffy. We got stuffies.
Right there.
And another one, and some rope for.
That might be useful a little bit.
I don't know. Anyway, I'm just gonna keep it right here. I'm gonna try something.
What?
What's this?
What?
Guys, hold on. Okay, I'm actually gonna try this.
Okay, here's
Don't
the bed.
touch the rail. Oh,
So you can see this is our backyard here.
don't. Oh, you can't see it.
You can't really see it.
Okay, watch this. I got my whip.
This is our house, you know, and yeah. So let's actually make the real actual.
Anyway, see this rope?
Zachary, I'm sitting up on the roof.
Get down!
I'm down.
Do you know how to make a bed? Hold on, come, get down. Get down. I need you to vlog.
Okay.
Make sure it's. Get your hand down from over it. Your hand is over it.
Okay, so this is Zachary right here. Zachary, you didn't tell them your name.
Yeah, you just told me. No, that's not an expert, but it's.
What we got?
Okay, time to get under the blankets because I'm tired. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you what we're doing.
What?
Today we are going to be attempting to sleep in the box of a truck.
And we're doing the last to leave the back of the truck.
Wins $5.
Yeah. It's like usually in these videos it's 10,000, but today it's only 5. Because we're not thousandaires. I don't know what I'm saying. You gotta move over.
Okay, I'll just move over here. I'll see you guys when it's
The next vlog.
no, in 20 minutes. 20 minutes later. What's up? It's been 20 minutes. Totally. And
This is me. Hi.
this is him.
Hi.
And this is me. Oh, my eye! Ah! And this is our house.
Yeah. Right here.
And that's a muffin.
this is our nice, beautiful, dirty old truck.
That we just have wood.
We have a whole bunch of wood over there. And
Uh,
I have a muffin right here.
oh!
Ow. Okay,
He
let's
has a muffin.
make an actual video.
He's eating it. We'll see you guys when he's done his muffin. Oh my god, guys! You shouldn't. Okay, tell them what you did.
Where? I'm eating.
He just finished eating and he threw his muffin over the side. He totally finished. Duh. You see that brown thing? That's a muffin. You see it? Looks like dog turd? That's a muffin.
Like half of the muffin.
Tell me if you guys can hear this.
Turn it on a bit.
No!
So you can see we have another boat here.
A boat? Oh yeah, you can't see anything. There's a boat right there. There's a yard. There's a shed. There's
Your neighbor right here.
another next door neighbor. You can't see.
You can see that this
The
being photoshopped.
what?
Well, we're making this video.
The
We're making this video 9:40 a.m. in the night.
It's not. It's almost 10 o'clock.
Actually, she said it's 3 a.m. Okay.
No, it's 10 o'clock. It actually is 10 o'clock. You look at the time. You want to see?
Like just
Get all that out of here. 9:49, guys. It's 9:49.
it's almost 10 o'clock right now, and we are up like super late. We're making this video in like almost the middle of the
We only make this video for you guys. You guys should not do this.
Is there anyone even watching this video?
No, because it's not posted yet, doofus. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.